Good morning dear children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn exercise 8.6, that is in your textbook page number 181. Here subtraction of decimal numbers. You already learned how will you add two decimal numbers. That same method here also we use. Okay. Now, your first question is subtract rupees 18 and 25 paise from rupees 20 and 75 paise. In this question, there is one word from. If in subtraction, if there is any word from, in that case, you write the second number as a first number. So, you subtract this number from 20.75. So you first write which number? Rupees 20.75. Okay, why? In this question there is one word from. Okay, then you subtract which number? Rupees 18.25. Then 5 minus 5 is what? 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then do 0 minus 8 is possible? Not possible. So you borrow. This 2 becomes 1 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is what? 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your answer? 2.50 rupees. 2.50. That means 2 rupees 50 paise. All of you understand? Then which is your second question? 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Okay, here also this word is here, that is from. In that case, you first write this number. Which is that number? Both in same unit. First you check the given numbers having same unit. Here both are in meter. Then which is your first number? 250. Here is any decimal part? No decimal part. But in this number there is one decimal part is there. So you put one dot here and simply you put 2 zeros. Okay. Then subtract 202.54. Okay. 0 minus 4 is possible? Not possible. Here also 0. Here also 0. Then so you borrow from which number? 5. So this 5 becomes 4. And this 0 becomes 10. And now this becomes 9. And this becomes again 10. Again this 10. 9 and this 0 becomes 10. This you know that subtraction of numbers. Same as subtraction. Then 10 minus 4 is what? 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. Decimal dot is there. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is your answer? Answer is 47.46 meter. All of you understand? Then your third question, rupees 5 and 36 paise from rupees 8.40. Here also from. So first you write which number? Rupees 8.40. First you write this number. Then rupees 5.36. 0 minus 6 is possible? Not possible. So you borrow this 4 becomes 3 and this 10 becomes 10. 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 6 is what? 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. Then you put the rupee symbol also. What is your answer? Rupees 3.04. Okay. Then your question number D. 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. Here also from. So you write which number first? 5.206 kilometer. Both in same unit, kilometer, minus 2.051. Okay. First you write the second number. Why? This question there is one word, that is from. Then you subtract the given numbers. 6 minus 1 is what? 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 0 minus 5 is possible? Not possible. Then you borrow. This 2 becomes 1 and this 0, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 1 minus 0, 1. Dot 5 minus 2 is 3. So what is your answer? 3.155 kilometer. Okay. Then your question number E. First you check both in same unit. Here kilogram, here also kilogram. Then which is the next thing? Here is one from. So you first write which number? 2.107 minus 0.314. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 0 minus 1 is possible? Not possible. So you borrow. This 1 becomes 0. This 10 becomes 10. This 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. So again 0 minus 3. It is not possible. So you borrow. 10 minus 3 is 7. Dot. 1 minus 0 is 1. So what is your answer? 1.793 kilogram. Okay. Then your second question, find the value of. Here you just given the two decimal numbers and subtraction sign also there. So you just subtract. That is 9.756 minus 6.228. Okay. Here is only 2-digit number. So in right side you simply put one 0. Then you subtract. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 8 is possible? Not possible. So borrow. This 7 becomes 6. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then dot. 9 minus 6 is what? 3. So what is your answer? 3.476. Just you subtract that given numbers. Okay. Number B. 21.05 minus 15.27. Here also you just subtract the given decimal numbers. 21.05 minus 15.27. 5 minus 7, it is not possible, so you borrow. But next place here also nothing. So what will you do? Next place. Moving on. Next place. So this 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. Then you borrow 1 from this 10. So this 15 becomes 5 becomes 15 and this 10 becomes 9. Then 15 minus 7 is what? 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then 1 dot. 0 minus 5, it is not possible. So you borrow. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your answer? 5.78. Okay. Then question number C. 18.5 minus 6.79. Here also just write 18.5 minus 6.79. This arrangement, listen here, it is very important. The 6 is the whole number part, that is in ones place number. So you write 6 under this 8. Dot 7 is 1 by 10th place, 9 is 1 by 100th place here. But here is no 1 by 100th place, so you put one 0 there. Then you subtract. 0 minus 9 is not possible, so you borrow. This 5 becomes 4 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 7 is possible? Not possible. So borrow. This 8 becomes 7 and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. Here also 1. So what is your answer? 11.71. Okay. Then your last question, that is 11.6 minus 9.847. First you write 11.6. Then 9 point, which is the whole number part here, 9. So you write 9 here. Then dot 847. 847. 1 by 10th place, 1 by 100th place, 1 by 1000th place. But here there is only 1 by 10th place, so you simply put 2 zeros. Okay, then you subtract. 0 minus 7 is possible? Not possible, so you borrow. Next place also 0. Again you, next place, this is 6. This 6 becomes 5 and this 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 7 is what? 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 8 is possible? Not possible. So this becomes 0 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Again 0 minus 9 is possible? Not possible. So here you borrow. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. So what is your answer? 1.753 is your answer. Okay.